So you have an older channel that got some traction, and now you want to switch up the niche to another niche and test it out, right?
Yeah, is it bad to do that? I mean,
So it's not bad or good. Maybe it works. It probably doesn't work, but you can at least try it, right? So what you can try is get 10 or 15 videos ready, upload them on that channel, see how it performs. If it really does nothing, then you just
yeah,
unlist the videos again or delete the videos, make a new fresh channel and upload your videos on there.
yeah, it's true. Yeah, I might try that.
Yeah, you can even, if the, is that first channel monetized or not?
If yeah, that channel I started, the channel that I started this summer, yeah, that's monetized channel.
All
Yeah.
right, okay. So what some people do is when they do this strategy and they have two like new fresh channels, they just upload the same videos on the two different channels because you are not monetized anyway, so you don't get demonetized for reused content. Then they
Yeah.
just see which of the two channels gets more views and then they delete the other one that got less views basically.
All right. Okay.
But in your case, your first channel is monetized, so you should put it on that channel first, see how it does, and then move on.
And I can change the email address because now it says footballers play at Gmail, and then I want to go into another niche. But you can switch up the emails, right? I never done that before.
I'm not sure about
But
that, man. I'm not sure if you have your channel made with an email, if you can change the email address like that shows on the about page and everything, right?
because I think that's kind of like the bad part. If I do
Yeah.
switch over to like wisdom stuff and then it says footballers
Yeah.
gmail.com, kind of like,
You know, it's a small detail, but like who's gonna see that, right? Like maybe only someone that wants to do a promotion with you, but I wouldn't sweat the email address too much.
all right. All right. Thanks.
Not a super big deal, I would say.
Yeah.